Hello guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today we are going to do another test of two mobile phones. So basically we have the new Nokia 7 Plus, which is the new model of Nokia. This one looks really pretty, and the Samsung S8 Plus. So we are going to do the battery test of these two mobile phones because the Nokia 7 Plus, it has really high battery. So basically the Nokia 7 Plus, it has 3800 milliamperes battery, which is 300 milliamperes higher than the Samsung S8 Plus. So the S8 Plus, it has 3500 milliamperes battery. Both are lithium ion, so we're gonna check it out. How long can you use the actual Nokia 7 Plus, because they, in the marketing advert of Nokia 7 Plus, it says it has pretty much up to 2 days battery, but we're gonna check it out today. We will see if how long will it take to get flat. Okay, so just in case wondering, this Samsung S8 Plus is 100% at the moment, and we're just gonna check it out, the Nokia 7 Plus, if this one is also 100%. There you go, Android one. I'm gonna do more review of the Nokia 7 Plus, and if you wanna tune into my account, don't forget to subscribe, alright? But today we are going to do the battery test. So if you can see it on there, yeah, just it is 100% battery, okay? So we're gonna start the test now. So to do that, of course, we're gonna use one of the other phone, which we can use for timer. Okay, we are going to turn the mobile phones on now in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. Okay, so we start the timer now as well. What we're gonna do, we need to make sure that everything is 100% on, as I said, including brightness, Bluetooth on. There you go, did you hear that? So Bluetooth on everything, of course Wi-Fi on as well. To start, basically this phone hasn't got any mobile data or SIM card in it, but it is connected to the Wi-Fi anyway, so we can, you know, check it out through that. We're gonna do all sorts of things as well, but yeah, just in case, yeah, we're going to test it all. Yeah, so that is 100%. Same thing with Nokia, hopefully. Yeah, so the brightness are all 100%, the Bluetooth on, Wi-Fi on, so Bluetooth is on here as well, Wi-Fi is on, and so yeah, so it's all 100% now, including the brightness and yeah, pretty much everything. So we've been running it for 2 minutes. What I'm gonna do is just gonna test it out and do all the bits and pieces. The Samsung S8 Plus is nearly a year old now. Let's see if that will still, you know, compete with the Nokia 7 Plus, which came out recently with a higher battery. Okay, and we're gonna make sure everything is alright. At the moment, so both mobile phone is 99%, so 1% down, and yeah, we're just gonna do anything that we can do, pretty much. See you in a bit, okay? Hello guys, this is just an update. So basically we are running the test for like nearly an hour now, so it's 56 minutes as you can see on a timer, and we're just gonna check it out, what's going on. So nearly an hour, the Samsung S8 Plus is now down to 85%, so 15%, you know, drained on that. But with the Nokia 7 Plus, it has same thing, it's 85%. Wow, it's kind of like, you know, neck to neck battle. So that's just another update about this two mobile phones battery, and we're gonna check it out again, and we will see you in a sec, okay? So see you in a bit. Okay, so to give you an update what's going on, it's been 5 hours and 34 minutes since we have started doing the test, and unfortunately the Samsung S8 Plus got 19 or 18% left to use now. That's not gonna take long to be, you know, emptied, and the Nokia 7 Plus has 19% left. Not far, I would say, well, ish. It should be, I really thought it should be better than that. Let's see, and how long will it take to get flat from now. So it's been 5 hours, as you can see here. Timer is still going. I'm gonna continue doing what we're doing like every day, so we'll check it out. Okay, so 6 hours and 40 minutes, and one of the phone is now gonna get flat soon. That is 1% for the Samsung S8 Plus. The Nokia 7 Plus still have 2% remaining. So we're gonna check it out. We're just gonna check the battery battery health of this the mobile phone and see where is it sitting down. So 2% for the Nokia 7 Plus and 1% for the Samsung S8 Plus. So what I'm doing is just okay, so 6 hours and 43 minutes for the Samsung. So RIP, it's gone. It's gone completely. Blimey. Okay, so that's on. That's completely off. 6 hours and 43 minutes for the Samsung S8 Plus, and we're just gonna continue for the Nokia 7 Plus. So Nokia 7 Plus, actually, when I look at the battery, it says like about 4 minutes left. Let's see if that will be 4 to 8, okay? If that is accurate or not. Okay. That's it completely. So 6 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm just gonna stop that. Okay, so that's it. Nokia, I am a bit disappointed on that, because when I look at the website, it says up to 2 days battery, but for me it's not gonna take that long for, you know, for that Nokia 7 Plus to survive. Possibly one day if you have, you know, lesser brightness and things like that, but yeah, this is actually the total battery life of the Nokia 7 Plus with, you know, Wi-Fi and this and that. 6 hours and 43 minutes for the Samsung S8 Plus, though that Samsung S8 Plus is, you know, already nearly a year old. Been using it, but still kicking in quite good. Yeah, just a bit disappointed with the Nokia 7 Plus. I was not expecting that at all. But there you go, that's gonna be the result of it. So yeah, so if you're looking on a new phone, basically the Nokia 7 Plus is good for the battery, I mean for the price of $349. You know, if you're looking for a mid-range kinda low budget phone, this is really not low budget looking, by the way. It's really posh if you look on that. Okay, so anyway, that's gonna be just the battery test of these two mobile phones. So if you have any question, just give me a shout. Don't forget to put that in the comment section below, and there will be like videos left and right here. So if you want to continue watching any of my videos, yeah, just click that link, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Okay, so thank you and goodbye again. Bye.